Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. The VCR cycle, which stands for view, change, and revert, is a pattern commonly used in software development to manage the flow of data and state in applications, particularly in the context of testing. This pattern can help maintain the integrity of test data while allowing developers to modify it safely. Below, I'll explain the VCR cycle in detail and provide a code example using a typical scenario. Hashtag overview of the VCR cycle. 1. View. This step involves retrieving and displaying the current state of some data or object. In a testing context, this might mean loading the existing state from a database or file. 2. Change. In this step, modifications are made to the data or object. In the context of tests, this could involve updating the state or properties of an object to simulate different scenarios. 3. Revert. This step is crucial for maintaining test integrity. After changes have been made for test purposes, the state is reverted back to its original state to ensure that subsequent tests run with a clean slate. Hashtag code example. Here's a simple Python example that demonstrates the VCR cycle using a class representing a configuration setting. We will simulate viewing a setting, changing it, and then reverting it back to its original value. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Configuration class. This class represents a simple configuration setting. It has original_setting, stores the original setting value for later use. Current_setting, stores the current value of the setting. 2 methods. View, returns the current setting. Change, new_setting, updates the current _setting with a new value. Revert, resets the current _setting back to the original _setting. 3. Test function. The test_configuration function demonstrates the VCR cycle. It creates an instance of configuration with an initial setting. It views the original setting. It changes the setting and views the modified setting. Finally, it reverts back to the original setting and views it again. Hashtag conclusion. The VCR cycle is a useful pattern for managing state changes in software applications, especially during testing. By encapsulating the view, change, and revert functionality, developers can ensure that their tests do not interfere with one another and maintain a reliable testing environment. This approach can be extended to complex systems where state management is critical.